In this video, I'm going to show you how to save JPEG image in Photoshop. Now, in order for us to get this done, I have this picture right here, and say for example, we're done working on this project and we want to export this as JPEG. To do that, you're going to go ahead and click the file here at the top, and then you have the export option here. Go ahead and choose export as, and then from here, what we are going to do is basically change the format, which is found here. Go ahead and click that one and then choose JPEG. Now, for the quality, you can click this one and choose different quality options here. Of course, great is going to be the highest quality, but just remember that if you're going to choose that one, the size of it is also going to increase. Now, say for example, we're done with everything here. Just go ahead and tap the export button right here, and then go ahead and save it wherever you need to do so. I'm going to go ahead and do so for desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and name this one JPEG image, just like so. Now, if we are going to head over to desktop, we should be able to see it. And there goes our photo. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.